Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Gohar Publishers. This is Hamna Binte Shehzad. Our motto is redefining the geography of education through data resources for conceptual learning. Dear teachers and dear students, आज के इस वीडियो लेसन में हम देखेंगे इंग्लिश फॉर द ग्रेड 8 का रिव्यू 4. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं रिव्यू. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. व्हाट आर द गिफ्ट्स ऑफ मैनुअल लेबर? द फूड, ड्रिंक, क्लोथ एंड हाउसेस विदाउट व्हिच वी कैन नॉट लिव आर द गिफ्ट्स ऑफ मैनुअल लेबर. व्हाट इज meant by sportsmanship? Sportsmanship mean working with healthy competition, discipline, punctuality, obedience and cooperation. Which is the most favorite sports in the world? Football is the most favorite sport in the world. What is the importance of dignity of labor? Dignity of labor has an important role in the country. No nation can develop unless her people undergo any labor. If we consider the developed countries, we find that people of those countries did not hesitate but labored hard. Labor of any kind is dignified as it gives everything to society. Why was it apparently very difficult to carry out the old man's will? As it is not possible to divide 17 into half or 17 by 1/3 or 17 by 1/9. How did the wise man resolve the issue? The wise man bought one camel of his own and added to the same to 17. That increased the total to 18 camels and then divided according to the deceased's father's will. Why was this decision a matter of rejoice for all, including the 3 brothers and the wise man himself? There is nothing impossible in this world. The attitude of conflict resolution is to find the 18th camel. That is the common ground. When a person is able to find the common ground by using his intellect, the issue is resolved. It is difficult at times. It is not easy at all. However, to reach a solution, first step is to believe that there is a solution. If we think that there is no solution, we won't be able to reach any favorable result. Look up the meaning of the given words in a dictionary and compare them with their meanings. Plow, large piece of farming equipment. Manual, by hand. Consequently, result, backbone, strength, estimate. Rough calculation, grind. Press something into very small, dignified, deserving respect. Horticulture, the study of practice of growing plants. Write the cause and effect, fact and opinion for each statement. The ice cream melted in the hot car. Cause, hot car, effect, ice cream. Alina took Sania to the doctor because she hurt her knee. ये हमारे पास होगा she hurt her knee, effect to the doctor. The plate fell off to the table and broke. Cause, plate fell off, effect, broke. There are some cell phones in Japan that people. Opinion, the earth revolves around the sun, fact. Now recognize and underline the adverb clauses in the given sentences. स्क्रीन पे देखिएगा. Because no one was home, the thieves robbed the house. If Ali calls, please tell him that I am on my way. Adnan climbed the stairs after he finished his dinner. We played in the ground until the sun set. You should visit the monument before you leave the town. Now write declarative, interrogative, imperative or exclamatory as appropriate against the given sentence. Put the correct punctuation at the end of each sentence. I am going on vacation very soon. Declarative. Will you hand me the ruler? Interrogative. My favorite team won the game. Exclamatory. Please let me know when it's time to go outside. Declarative. Please open the window. Imperative. Complete each sentence with the correct homograph. I had to wind the steering to the left. I looked along the row of books. Her eyes were filled with tears. The shop will close at the 10. Keep a record of your expenses. Now, read the following paragraph and write the final draft after complete correction, editing and proofreading. Screen पे देखिएगा. I have a really cool fish tank with lots of exciting things inside. There are guppies, tetras and a tiny shark inside. Also, there are 3 snails that climb up the glass walls. They eat the green algae and keep the tank clean. A frog named Flipper also lives in the tank, but they usually hides under the rocks. It's fun to watch all the different creatures in my tank. I hope आपको आज का वीडियो लेसन पसंद आया होगा. एक नए वीडियो लेसन के साथ हम फिर मिलेंगे. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.